Klimaschutz bei gleichzeitig.
For our customers and in our society, it has become a top priority to protect the climate while using electrical energy to ensure supply security.
Diese Anforderungen
With our innovative Blue portfolio, we are uncompromisingly meeting these needs.
hier in Nördlingen
From this product series, our 110 kilovolt vacuum circuit breakers and the combined current and voltage transformers designed in clean air technology are being used here in Nördlingen.
Strom- und Spannungswandler zum Einsatz. Diese Produkte bieten die gewohnte Zuverlässigkeit,
These products offer the customary reliability while completely eliminating greenhouse gas emissions. That's because they contain no sulfur hexafluoride commonly used in high voltage technology, nor do they use any other fluorinated gases. Switching and arc extinguishing takes place in a vacuum tube. We use clean air, or dry air, as an insulating medium.
Die Siemens Blue-Technologie bietet den Betreibern
In addition to the required climate neutrality and reliability, Siemens Blue technology offers operators such as Netze BV better electrical performance and improved operating efficiency compared to long-standing solutions, thanks to simple maintenance and trouble-free recycling.
einfache Wartung und problemloses Recycling. Ich bin davon überzeugt.
With this Siemens Blue technology, I am convinced that we have ushered in a new era in high-voltage technology.
Siemens, ingenuity for life.